Hey guys, it's feeling a lot like Christmas right now, even though it's July. And that's because I just got a few packages in the mail that I cannot wait to open. You might recall from a previous video that I have a wish list of items that I wish to get for the Corvette. Well, the bad news is that ever since I started playing around with the Targa tops, I discovered a bunch of small problems inside that need either repairing or diagnosing. So the list of items on my wish list basically has doubled or tripled since then. But the good news is that I'm finally ready to cross off the first few items from my original list. Now you can think of this as a National Corvette Day gift to myself / to my car. If you want to take a guess at what's inside these boxes, feel free to pause the video and make your wagers now, because it's time for me to open the boxes and see what's inside. Alright, let's get started. The first box is from Amazon. And before I open the box, I just want to give a quick shout out to the delivery driver who left this very friendly note on the shipping label for me. I gotta say, the morning that the package came, it was one of those days when I just knew, that things weren't gonna go my way, and it was gonna be a long day. So seeing this note really made my day. She had already left by the time I went out to the door to grab the box, so I didn't get a chance to say thank you. But just in case, by some miraculous chance, you happen to be watching this, thank you so much for the small friendly gesture that really brightened my day. Anyway, back to opening the box. Or the bag. Oh, it actually is a box. A box inside a bag. Alright. And here it is. This is a leather cleaning and conditioning kit from the chemical guys that I got on Amazon. And I consider this a pretty high priority item on my list. It's not just because I want to make the inside of my car pretty and clean, but as you know, the car had been sitting untouched for probably more than half a decade before I got it. And now that it's back on the road and regularly exposed to the sun and to my filthy butt, I think it's important that the leather is well cared for, and plus this car is equipped with the optional sports seats, which will cost a fortune to replace or repair, and they're in good shape right now, so I want to make sure I take good care of them. Make sure I keep the leather from cracking or having any problems, keep the interior in good condition, just like the rest of the car. I did do a little shopping around for different products from different brands. There's several reputable brands out there for leather products for cars, and different sources will tell you different ones are better than others. Chances are they're all pretty good anyway. I don't think it's going to make a tremendous difference. But this kit seems like a good starter kit for somebody who's new to doing all this, like myself. And it comes with everything I need, with the brush, the towels, and everything. So yeah, I thought this would be a good way to learn to do some leather care and give my car's interior some very badly needed pampering. Alright, moving on to the second box. If you own a Corvette, there's a good chance you might recognize the logo on the box. I know that this came from a Top Flight Automotive all the way in Pennsylvania. So let's open it up and see what's inside. A lot of stuffing. More stuffing. Alright, the first item is a Corvette cap. I know this is technically more of a gift for myself than for the car, but yeah, I really needed to get this because the weather's getting warmer and it gets really hot at car shows being out in the sun for several hours straight. So I usually wear a cap just to keep myself from getting sunburn. And now normally when I go to car shows as a spectator, I really don't care what logo is on top of my forehead. But when you go to a car show and actually bring a car to display, it's kind of a crime to wear something with the wrong brand. So I had to get myself a Corvette cap, specifically a C4 cap. For those who are new to the Corvette hobby, every generation of Corvette has a different logo. So if you tell your friends, hey, I want some Corvette apparel, and unless they're total car geeks, chances are they're going to get you the wrong one. So I figured it made more sense for me to just buy my own Corvette cap. So if you see me at a Cars and Coffee, feel free to stop me and say hello. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be too hard to recognize. There's not a lot of Asian guys out there wearing Corvette caps to begin with. And there's definitely not a lot of guys out there who shamelessly display the C4 logo. Anyway, there's one more item inside the box. It's the last of the 3 items that I bought. If you ever talk to me about the Corvette in person, you'll know that this has been on the top of my list since day one. And I'm so glad that I finally have it. So at last, here it is. A cup holder. If you're a C4 owner, you understand exactly why I'm so excited right now. And you understand why this is definitely more of a need than a want. Again, the weather's getting warmer. It's important that I bring some water bottles with me when I go to car shows and have them actually accessible when I'm driving. I plan to do a separate video just for the cup holder, so stay tuned for that. But for now, I'm just so glad to finally be able to cross the first few items off my wish list. Again, the list has multiplied since I printed this one, so I'm gonna have to make an updated version. But yeah, for now I'm just so glad that both me and the car are much better equipped for all the exciting events coming up in the summer. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now and go scrub some leather and install a cup holder. See you guys next time.